Belonging to the onion family, the leeks have a mild sweet flavor which makes it delicious for soups and stews. It's rich in vitamin A, C, K and dietary fiber. It's a good source of minerals such as iron and manganese, which are said to be important for nerve and brain function. Let's use the leeks to make a delicious leek and potato soup with some spices that are healing to the body. Starting with the ingredients, we have 2 leeks, 1 big yellow onion, 1 carrot, 6 small roasting potatoes or 2 medium potatoes, 1 tomato, 4 ribs of celery, 1-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 pieces of licorice, which is optional, being good for the cold and it adds a sweet note to the soup, 3 pieces of long pepper, a small piece of dried turmeric. You can use powder or fresh turmeric, couple of bay leaves, fresh or dry, thyme, 2 sprigs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter and salt to taste. Heat a saucepan or a pressure pan. In this case I am using a pressure pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the bay leaves and half of the onion cut into big chunks and stir it. And you don't have to cook it too long. Add the celery, just cut into halves. Toss it well. Next add the carrots, cut into big chunks. Add 4 cloves of garlic and the ginger. 1 tomato that has been cut into 4s. And the tops of the leeks, reserving the bottoms for later, and toss it around well. Add the rest of the spices, the turmeric, cumin, pepper, long pepper and licorice. Add salt, the thyme sprigs. Mix it well so the ingredients are coated with oil. Just for a couple of seconds. Add 1 liter of water. And close the pressure pan and leave it till you hear the whistle. If you are using a stock pot, you can simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes after it comes to a boil. Once it's done and the pressure is released, I strain the liquid and keep it aside. This can be used as a base for any other soup too. When prepping the leaves, it's important to clean the leeks as you see a lot of dirt in between the layers. So just take them apart and rinse it under the tap. Cut the ends off and chop the leeks into fine slices. Peel and cut the potatoes into big pieces. Dice the remaining onion. To the same pressure pan, add 1 tablespoon of the butter. And when the butter is melted, add the diced onions. And stir well. add the potatoes. Now add the chopped leeks. Add the salt. Stir to combine and add the broth. Now close the pressure pan and leave it till you get one whistle. If you are using a stock pot, bring it to a boil and simmer it for 20 minutes until the potatoes and the leeks are soft. Blend it into a smooth consistency. Strain the soup into a stock pot or a Dutch oven and bring it to a boil. Adjust for salt and pepper and serve it hot. Hope you enjoyed this velvety soup. Try it and post your feedbacks, please. Thanks for watching.